back, munchkins and the grown up bachas. Time for the most fun segment, the giggle quiz.
Get ready for the chaos, confession, and some childhood nostalgia straight out of from our own hearts.
Okay, let's start. So, we got this one question. Ria, aged 9, from Mumbai asked, what did you both want to be as kids?
Okay. Let me answer this. When I was a kid, I wanted to be a cartoon voice actor. That was such a dream, honestly. And I used to mimic Noddy, Mickey, and even once I mimicked this one Bollywood actress.
Oh my god, that is so cool, Libra girl. I just wanted to be every single thing that I saw on TV. Like Chota Bheem was my favorite cartoon, and then once I wanted to be Chota Bheem, and the next moment when I went to school, I wanted to be like a crazy scientist, or I wanted to be an astronaut. It always changed.
That's totally like Bollywood energy to like do every possible thing. Okay. So moving on, we have another little audience who have asked us. He is Arif from Pune. So if you could be a kid for one day, what would you do?
Arav, you're asking the wrong question to the wrong person. Like, because for me, I am a kid always. But if I could be like a kid, like freely, be say 5 again, I would eat ice cream for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
So real. If I would answer this question, I would say that I used to play in the mud all day long and I used to call it as the spa therapy. Okay, fancy, but I used to also make the mud cakes, and named after the Paris bakeries.
Oh my god,
That
that is so cute. Okay, so Vihan, age 12, asks, what's one message for India's kids?
okay. Keep asking you because curiosity is a super weapon.
Yes, and also remember, even a drop makes an ocean. Even a child makes a nation proud.
Totally agree with you, Taurus girl. So moving on, we have the rapid fire. I hope you're ready for it, Taurus girl.
Yes, very ready.
Okay. Moving on, favorite childhood character.
It was Chota Bheem without a doubt, and also Mickey Mouse. So, yeah.
Okay. Next question. Favorite snack after school.
So, like in our school, we used to get these samosas, and our school was called Samosa High School instead of my school's name, so Samosa.
Oh my god, the Motu Patlu feel I literally got right now. Okay. Moving on. Your dream toy when you were a kid.
Oh, you know that talking Barbie phone where you just press that song and that one song used to play Dhoom Machale, Dhoom. That one. Yours?
Is so real. Being a techie human being from the starting of my life, I would say a remote control helicopter that never crashed. Still waiting for it, to be
Oh my
honest.
god. Alright. So, we have one more question. Little Chintu from Delhi asks, what makes you both happy?
Okay, so I have worked in an NGO where I used to teach kids, and I would say that hearing kids laugh, it's a pure therapy, and it's the pure background music of my life till date.
What makes me happy is seeing the life besides me and all those children going with their balloons and the different kinds of balloons that have come right now. So, yeah.
Okay. Like really agree and relate with you regarding this Taurus girl. And to every listener, big or small, you are the sparkle that keeps India shining brighter than a Diwali light night sky.
So, why don't you keep dreaming, doodling, and dancing to your own beat? Because every child's story is a blockbuster in the making.
Exactly. So India's future isn't written in textbook. It's doodled in crayons by the little tiny Einsteins and Picassos with hearts louder than drums.
The Unlikely Sisters, where dreams never grow old. So stay tuned for our next podcast.